morning, guys. It's 6:05 a.m. Hi guys, I'm leaving. I'm talking to my friend. Hi Beth. I've been chatting with her today. So I'm just brushing my hair. How do you like my hair color, guys?
You said she was hurt? Trespassing.
My husband is watching American Horror Story. Hey guys, still the same thing. Right now I'm cooking some chicken. I'll show you my chicken. Hold on. It's my chicken, guys. I make the chicken and a rice and broccoli. I just steamed this in the microwave for 6 minutes, and this is what I put to season it. It's this one. That's it. And oh, anyway, I'm making this too. You guys have this? Did you guys try this? This is my first time to try this, so let's see if it's good or what. Okay. Yep. We're watching a Grimm right now inside. I'm here in the kitchen, so it's just a little boring, and I've been looking to this stuff for the garbage collection days. So let's see. Oh, I'm making steak too because there's one person coming. My husband's nephew.
Boys, dinner's ready. Wash up. What are you doing back here? Did you find out who broke into our house?
Yeah, I think so.
Frank, you...
Good morning, guys. Look at my face is swollen. I love you. He always like meow and then lie down beside me. What is that? Your dirty pose, baby. I love you. I love you. It's smoothie for my husband. You thinking what happened to my head? I just, because I have color the other day. So what I'm doing is, I don't want my hair to get like so dry, and because of the hair color. So I have a treatment when I went back to the Philippines 2012, I think. Forgot. Yeah, 2012. I bought this from Salon. Natural Moisture Deep Keratin Treatment. And while I'm doing this into my hair, I'm cleaning the bathtub and clean the bathroom floor and the toilet bowl and everything. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys for spending time with me and giving time just to watch my vlog. And where I supposed to do this? In the camera here. Here, there. Guys, good night. I'll see you in my next vlog.